Next in Python, we are going to see whether the given year is leap year or not. For that, I'm taking one variable whose name is year, and it should be of type int, then input, enter, year. It should be in double quotes. So here we are taking input of our year. Next, we are going to give a condition like if whatever year we have taken, if we divide that year with 4 and remainder is 0, another condition which will come in AND section, that year mod 100. If we divide the given year with 100 and if remainder is not equals to 0, then the year is leap year. In OR section, we are giving one more condition. If we divide year with 400 and if the remainder is 0, then the given year is leap year. That means when we are putting OR here in between, that means either this condition should be right or this condition should be right. And if any one condition among these two conditions is right, then the year is leap year. Then we have to print year is leap year. Else print year is not a leap year. Here we have to give proper indentation to it. And here colon will come. So this is our program. Save it and run it. Now here it is asking year. So here I will start from 1982. So 1982 is not a leap year, it is saying. Again we'll run this program and enter year. I'm saying 1983. This year is not a leap year. Again we'll run this program. 1984. So it's a leap year.